Burp Suite is a very powerful web application security assessment tool that is available in Kali. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Burp Suite to brute force access to a web application. So first we'll browse to our DBWA web app on our Metasploitable system. Then verify that the security is set to low, and then choose brute force over on the left side. Then we'll go ahead and go to our Kalilinux menu and then our top 10 security tools and Burp Suite. And once that's loaded, we'll go ahead and configure our proxy in Iceweasel. So go to Preferences, and then Advanced up at the top, and then the Network tab, and then click Settings, and then change from System Proxy Settings to Manual Proxy Configuration, and specify our proxy as our local system, so 127.0.0.1, and then at port 8080. Next, we want to verify in Burp Suite under the Proxy tab that Intercept is on. And then once we've done that, we'll go ahead and enter a common username in the login screen here, so admin, and then we'll enter just a random password, so I'll enter the word test, and then click login. And then if we move back over to our Burp Suite proxy, we'll see that it actually captured that GET request with the username that we entered here, admin, and then the password that we submitted, test. So then we want to click Action and then send this to Intruder. Once we've done that, click the Intruder tab, and then it already has pre-configured our host and port. And then under Positions, since we're only performing an attack on the password, we'll go ahead and clear the rest of these out. And then we'll select the value that was passed back for the password, so test, and then we'll add a payload position on that. Then move over to the Payloads tab, and under Payload Type, select Runtime File. Then enter the file path for our dictionary file, so user/share/wordlists/rocku.txt. Once that's done, select Intruder at the top and then click Start Attack. And it will then begin a dictionary attack with each of the different password options in that dictionary file. And what we're going to do is look for a unique response that differs from all of the other failed entries. So to do this, we can sort either by status or by length of response. As you can see, status is all the same, but if we sort by length, we have one that is different length than all of the others. So then let's expand this, and then right-click on the response and send to compare. Then select one of our baseline requests, and right-click on its response and also send it to the comparer. Then choose the Comparer tab at the top. And with one response selected in each item, click Compare by Words. And here you'll see highlighted the differences in the response. As you can see on the one on the right, which is our baseline response, we get username and or password is incorrect. But for our one distinct response that we have here on the left, we get welcome to the password protected area admin. So this confirms that the password for the username admin is password. We can then verify that by removing the proxy configurations on Iceweasel, then refreshing, and entering those credentials. So admin and password. And there you have it. So that is how to brute force access to a vulnerable web application using Burp Suite.